Hello, welcome to Daily Flute Yoga. My name's Miho, and today let's wake up the tongue. So let's use one note, the C note, and let's stick to it, and let's explore different rhythm. And by having fun exploring, your tongue's gonna naturally wake up. So let's have a go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great work! Next, let's have a musical conversation using 4 bars at a time. So I would play the first 4 bars and you would play the next 4 bars, and let's stay on one note, the C.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great! Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have an amazing day. See you next time. Bye!